Hello guys, today I am going to discuss with you the topic algebraic fraction, part 1. Part 2 I will explain or we will discuss when we will finish how to factorize 2 terms, 3 terms and 4 terms. After factorization, I will explain how we can solve algebraic fraction part 2. But this is algebraic fraction part 1. In this fraction or in this topic, you have to merge. You have to merge two fractions or three fractions they will give you. You have to combine them. And actually, this will be the statement of the question. Read this. They are saying write as single fraction. How many fractions are there? Two. This is one of the fraction. This is another fraction. We have to merge them. We have to combine them to a single fraction. So the first step is just multiply the denominators. Like, what is the denominator here? The first denominator is 3x plus 2. What is the second denominator? 2x minus 1. First step is show them that we are going to multiply the denominators and then do the cross. This 2x minus 1, you have to cross and multiply with 5. Like you have to mention 5. We are going to multiply with 2x minus 1. What is the sign between them? Plus. And then 4, and this denominator we are shifting to here. We will write 3x plus 2. This is the first step you have to show to the examiner to get the mark. After this one, just open the bracket in the numerator. No need to open the denominator because this is not the requirement. Just keep as it. But if you will open the bracket in the denominator, still it's the same like if you will not open the bracket. We'll get the marks. This is not the requirement actually of the question. So just open the bracket in the numerator, multiply 5 with the 2x, it will be 10x minus 5 is going to multiply with 1, so it will be 5. Now similarly we have to multiply this 4 here. So positive 4 times 3, 12x, and then 4 we have to multiply with 2, so it will be 8. After this, you have to add or subtract the like terms. As I told you, keep the denominator as it. Even in the answer space, when you will write the final answer, no need to open the bracket in the denominator. Keep as it because it was not the requirement of the question. So no need to put the effort on this one. Add or subtract the like terms in the numerator. So 10x plus 12x. These two are like terms because they have same variable. 10x plus 12x. If the terms have same variable, we are saying like terms. So 10x plus 12x, 22x. And similarly, negative 5 and 8 are simple numbers, so they are also called like terms. Negative 5 plus 8 plus 3. This is the final answer, and you have to write in the answer space. So 22x plus 3. Look, there were two fractions at the beginning in the question. We merged them and we made as a single fraction. And this was the requirement, write as single fraction in its simplest form. So we cannot simplify more. So this is the final answer. Hopefully, guys, you understand the question how to merge the fractions into single fraction. Question number 2, the requirement is the same, write as a single fraction. The statement will be the same in the whole worksheet or whenever you will see the question either in paper 2 or in paper 4. The question will be the same, write as a single fraction. Either they will give you two fractions, like in this question also they give us two fractions and we have to merge them, we have to combine them. So the first step is the same, we have to multiply the denominators. What is the denominator here? X plus 2. So we will write in the bracket x plus 2. And in another bracket, we have to write 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1. After this, after multiplying the denominators with each other, you have to do the cross. This denominator we will shift with 1. We will write here 3x minus 1. And what is the sign between them? Negative 2. So negative 2. And now this fraction, this denominator, we will shift here. So x plus 2. Hopefully, guys, you understand how to multiply and how to do the cross, the first step. Second step, as I told you already, that no need to open the denominator, no need to keep them as it, and as it is x plus 2, keep in the form of multiplication. But if you want to open, you can. But this is not the requirement, as I already told you, this is not the requirement, so I will not do. I will not multiply the denominators with each other. I will keep them as it. Just I will multiply or I will open the numerator. 1 I will multiply with 3x. It will be 3x. Now the same 1 I will multiply with the negative 1. So it will be negative 1. Now we have to multiply negative 2 with this one. So it will be negative 2x. And the negative 2, when we will multiply with positive 2, it will become negative 4. After this, we have to add or subtract the like terms, but only in the numerator. Denominator you will keep as it, x plus 2, 3x minus 1. What are the like terms? 3x minus 2x. What left? X. Minus 1, minus 4, minus 5. This is the simplest form. We cannot do after this anything. So this is the final answer. You have to write in the answer space. What is the final answer? The denominator and numerator keep as it, x minus 5, x plus 2, and 3x minus 1. Okay. Question number 3, guys. The same, write as a single fraction. We have to convert into single fraction. The same way I will use. First, we will multiply the denominators. What is the denominator? X plus 3. And second denominator is x minus 5. Okay. After this, first, better is write the numerator as it, plus x plus 3. This is the best way to solve the question. First, write the numerators and put the brackets. Now, shift the things. This 5 in x minus 5, you have to shift here, cross multiply. So, like here, write x minus 5. And what is the denominator here? X plus 3. So, this you have to bring it here, x plus 3. This is important question because some students will do the mistake in this process. Okay. After this one, we have to open the bracket, but only in the numerator. No need to open the bracket in the denominator. You can write as it x plus 3 and x minus 5. Now, let us open the bracket here. First, you will multiply 2x with x. So it will be 2x squared. Then you have to multiply the same number with the other term, with the other number. So 2x is going to multiply with the negative 5. So it will be negative 10x. Okay. Here, first you have to multiply x with this one. So it will be positive x squared. And then the same number x with positive 3. So it will be plus 3x. This is the, here, guys, please take care. Just here you multiplied x with both. So now similarly we have to multiply this 3 with both. Also you have to multiply 3 with x. So it will be plus 3x. And the same number, so you have to multiply here. It will be positive 9. Okay. Take care and do this properly. After this, just add or subtract the like terms. Even directly you can write here in the answer space. What is the denominator? X plus 3, and here x minus 5. And what are the like terms here? Squares, the terms that have same variable with same powers. Okay, they are called like terms. Like 2x square plus x square are like terms. So we will write here 3x square. Negative 10x and this one and this one. They are like terms. So you can solve here negative 10x, positive 3x, positive 3x. It will be negative 4x. So negative 4x you have to write here. And what are the numbers? Only one number is there, 9. Keep as. Okay, do the practice. Hopefully you understand that how we will merge the two fractions into single fraction. Guys, question number 4. Now they are saying write two fractions are given x over 2 minus in another fraction 2x plus 4 over x plus 1. They said write as a single fraction in its simplest form. In its simplest form. So we have to merge these two. The same step. First, we will multiply the denominators like 2, okay, in one of the bracket, and in another bracket x plus 1. If you don't want to show the bracket in the first, you can also like write like this one, but it's up to you as you feel comfortable. After multiplying the denominators, as I told you, better way is put x and bracket. Why x? Because here, look at here, what is the numerator? X minus 2x plus 4, and in another bracket you can this one. Now think what we have to write in the brackets. This thing you have to bring it here. So we will write x plus 1, and this 2 you will shift to here. Okay. The first step. After the first step, as I told you, we will just multiply. We will just open the numerator. Okay, just we will open the numerator. We will solve in the numerator. We will open the bracket. Keep as it the denominator. No need to open. But if you want to open, it's okay. It's fine. You will not lose the mark. Here, x is going to multiply with x, so it will be x square. And x you have to multiply here, so it will be positive x. And here, number 2 is on the other side, so it's the same thing. Multiply this with this, so it will be negative, because outside is negative, negative 4x. And when you will multiply this with this, so this positive and negative, it will become negative. 4 times 2, 8. After this you have to add or subtract the like terms, but only in the numerator. X plus 1. Like terms, x square is alone. There is no any other term that has square, so keep it as it. And these two are the like terms. X minus 4x will be negative 3x, negative 8x. This is the final answer. You have to write in the answer space 2x plus 1, and in the numerator x square minus 3x minus 3. Okay, hopefully you understand. Please do the practice. If you have any doubt or any confusion, you can discuss with me. Question number 5. Write as a single fraction in its simplest form. So it's the same, guys, and this question is coming every year for 3 marks. First we have to multiply the denominators. y times y minus 1. There are two denominators. I multiplied like this one. And as I told you in the previous question, better way is this one. Whatever the numerator you would see, keep them as it with bracket. Yani here is 1. I wrote here 1 and bracket minus 1 and 1 more bracket. Okay. Then do the cross multiplication. This y, you have to bring it here, here. And this denominator, we have to bring it here. So y minus 1. After this, keep the denominators as it. No need to open the bracket in the denominator. Just open or multiply the numerator. 1 time y, it will be 1. Now you have to multiply negative 1 with y. So it will be negative y. And negative 1 with the negative 1, it will become positive 1. After this, the last step, you have to add or subtract the like terms. Here like terms, these two are the like terms, y minus y. So you can cancel out because one is positive. If there is no sign, it means there is positive. So one is positive, one is negative. You can cancel out. So what left? Only one. This is the final answer. You have to write here y bracket minus 1. Okay. Hopefully, guys, you understand. Please keep continuing the practice. If you have any doubt, any confusion, please discuss with me. Question number 6, the same, write as a single fraction, write as a single fraction in its simplest form. So we saw that there are two fractions. So what is the first step? We have to multiply the denominators, x and bracket. Bracket means multiplication, okay? If you will put the bracket, it means we are multiplying the denominators. Then what are the numerators in this case? 1 and bracket minus 1 and bracket. In this way, guys, you will not do the mistake if you will follow this way. Now do the cross. This x plus 1, you can bring it here. And in this bracket, you have to write x plus 1. And this x, you have to bring it like this one. After this, you have to multiply, but only in the numerator. As I told you, no need to multiply the denominator because this is not the requirement. So don't waste your time and energy. Keep as it the denominator is plus 1 here. You have to multiply 1 time x will be x, 1 time 1 it will be 1. Negative 1 is going to multiply with x, it will be negative x. After this, we have to add or subtract the like terms in the numerator. If the denominator as it x, x plus 1. Here in the numerator, we observe that x and x, these are the like terms. And I told you, if there is no sign, it means there is positive. One is positive x, one is negative x. We can cancel out because x minus x is 0. So what left? Only the number 1. This is the final answer. You have to take 1 over x, x plus. Question number 7. Again, they gave us two fractions and we have to combine them. We have to merge them as a single fraction. So the first step is the same. We will multiply the denominators and we will write what are the denominators here? X plus 3 and other denominator, second denominator is 8x minus 1. 7 and bracket plus 5 and bracket. This is the easier way as I told you. In this way, you will not do the mistake, inshallah. This 8x minus 1, you will shift here and we will write beside 7 the bracket ax minus 1 and this one you will shift here. So with the 5 you can write x plus 3. After this step, we have to open the bracket only in the numerator. So we will multiply 7 with this. It will be 56x. 7 times -1, -7. 5 is going to multiply with x. So plus 5x. 5 is going to multiply with 3. So positive 15. And denominator we will keep as it x plus 3 and 8x minus. After this, we have to add or subtract the like terms. Keep the denominator as it. Like terms in the numerator is 56x and 5x. So it will be 61x. If you will add 56x plus 5x, 61x. And these two are the like terms or like numbers. 15 plus 7 plus 8. This is the final answer. You have to write in the answer space x plus 3, 8x minus 1, and here 61x plus 8. Hopefully, guys, you understand how to merge the two fractions as a single one. If you have any doubt or any confusion, you can discuss with me. Do the practice as much as you can. Question number 8, uh, the same, just they are changing the variables and numbers in the denominator and in the numerator, but the concept is the same. Write as a single fraction. It means we have to merge, we have to combine these two fractions into single one, and we will follow or we will use the same method as we solved the first 7 questions. The first, we have to multiply the denominators. What are the denominators? 3 and x plus 1. And I told you what are the numerators you will see here. Write as it 2x minus 1 and put the bracket minus 2 and bracket. Now you have to do the cross. This fraction or this denominator you have to shift here, x plus 1, and this 3 you have to shift here. So 3 will come. After this step, I told you just we have to multiply the brackets in the numerator. 3 x plus 1, does it? Now this one you have to multiply this, so it will be 2x squared. When you will multiply 2x with 1, it will be 2x. Also you have to multiply -1 with 1. With this one, it will be negative x, and -1 with positive 1, it will be -1. Here, -2, when you will multiply with 3, it will be -6. After this step, you have to add or subtract the like terms only in the numerator. So we will write 3x plus 1. Here 2x squared is the single term. There is no like term or the other term that have square. So we will keep as it. These two are the like terms. 2x minus x will give you only the answer positive x. -1, -6, -7. This is the final answer, but you have to write in the answer space. 2x squared plus x minus 7, 3x plus 1. That's it. Hopefully, guys, you understand. If you have any doubt or any confusion, please discuss with me. Question number 9. we have this question is important, guys. We have three fractions here. The first one, because if there is no denominator also, this is a fraction, we can write one from our side. So three fractions are there. uh, how to combine them, because the question is right as a single fraction. So before going to solve this one, I wanted to give you one of the example. Suppose you have here a plus b over c minus d over e, three fractions, the same like question. How to merge them? What are the denominators, guys? C and D. Sorry, C and E are denominators. Okay, concentrate here. C and E are denominators. These both C and E will multiply with the A. So you will write A, C, E plus with B only you will do the cross. This will go and multiply with B. So we will write BE, and this will go and multiply with D minus CD or DC, order doesn't matter. This is the final answer. Okay. In the same way, I am going to solve this one. What is the denominator here when we will multiply? PT. Yes, P and T is the denominator. We will multiply PT with this number. So 1 times PT, it will be P and T minus 2. With the 2, we have to do the cross. Here, you have to take care. Only T you have to multiply with 2. So it will be 2T. What is the sign between them? Negative. And P you have to multiply with 3. So it will be 3P. After this one, we cannot add or subtract because there is no like term in the numerator. PT is different term, negative 2t is different, and negative 3p. There is no like term, so we cannot add or subtract. Hopefully you understand. I can give you one more example, because whenever I give this question in the exam or in the quizzes or any other places, I observe that students are doing mistake. So let me give you another example here with the same different variables. Suppose you have 2 minus b over t plus c over d. Three fractions are there. Okay, three terms are there. You have to combine them. You have to merge them. So what are the denominators? What are the denominators? dt. D and t are denominators. These both you will multiply with this one, this number. So you have to write 2d and t. After this, I told you just you have to do the cross. This will come here and multiply negative bd. What is the sign here? Plus. So plus, and t will come here. So we will write ct. This is the final answer. Because we cannot add or subtract the numerators, all the terms are different, like 2d, 2dt, and then bd and ct are different. We cannot add or subtract them. Hopefully, guys, you understand this example, this one, and also the main question. So the final answer you have to write here. Pt minus 2t minus 3p over. Do the practice. If you have any confusion or any doubt, please discuss with me. Okay. Take care. Question number 10. They said they give us a statement right as a single fraction. How many fractions are given? 2. So the same step. First, we will multiply the denominators. What are the denominators? X and y. And you will write x plus 1 and bracket minus x minus y and bracket. Then we will do the cross. This y we have to shift here, so we will write here y, and this x we have to shift here, so we will write x here. After this, we already discussed this and we solved a lot of questions related to the same concept. X y, we will open the bracket. X you will multiply, sorry, y you will multiply here and here, so it will be x and y plus 1 time y, it will be y. Similarly, you have to multiply x with this one and also negative, so it will be negative xy. This negative and this negative will become positive, and you have to multiply x with 1, so it will be x. After this, you have to add or subtract the like terms. Here, if there is no sign, you can add 1 from your side. So xy and negative xy will be cancelled out because one is positive, one is negative. We can cancel out. So what left? Y plus x. You can rearrange the order. X plus y. This is the final answer. X plus y over xy. Don't cancel out x with x because there is addition sign. So until there is, if you will see there is addition or subtraction sign, we cannot cancel with the denominator. Hopefully, guys, you understand this concept. Do the practice, and if you have any doubt or any confusion, you can discuss with me. Take care.